Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this much anticipated Hot Wheels RLC Porsche 959. This is in Spectre Flame Red, and we will check it out right now. It doesn't have anywhere listed how many of these were produced. I'm thinking it's over 30,000, I believe is what the website said originally, which could mean 31,000 or whatever, who knows. And here's the packaging. The artwork looks great, but the car is spectacular from what I'm seeing initially here. And there's the back of the pack. If you want to pause it to read it, you're more than welcome to. Not sure if it'll show up or not on your screen, but there it is. And we will get right into tearing this sucker open. Probably should have gloves on for this, but I don't have gloves on. I don't know where my gloves are at. All right, so here we have it up on a turntable, and it is absolutely spectacular. This might be one of my favorite RLC cars to date. I don't know. This is top notch. This one is very, very, very well done. Now it does have the Magnus Walker Outlaw wheels on it, which I think they just didn't really know what else to pull from, I think, to make kind of a semi-proper wheel for this. So I think the choice is pretty good on it. Not bad. It works a little better in person than it looks in pictures, trust me on that. And we will stop it here. I want to take a look here at the base. All right, so we have what appears to be, yep, metal, satin black metal base. Some detailing there to the flat 6 twin turbo engine. Has kind of like a creamish white interior. Nicely done. Rear lens. It's kind of hard to see, but it actually does have the logo, the Porsche logo on the back, on the red reflector, running side to side. Some detail of the engine. It's actually fairly realistic with those silver panels to the way the actual car looks in real life. I have seen other pictures. Some people's cars look more pink than red. I would have to agree. Under this lighting here on my monitor, that it does kind of look pinkish to me. Some look more maroon, others look more pink, some look purple. I think it just depends on your lighting in your house and the way people are taking pictures of them and post them on Instagram. With inside the bubble package, which is extremely hard. I tried to do some sneak peek pictures when I had gotten this several days ago in the mail, and it's very hard to photograph it in that packaging. It was actually pretty terrible, and it does not do it any justice by any means, having it kept in the bubble pack, in my opinion. For a reason, my camera doesn't want to focus very well, but you can see the white seats, satin black grille on the back side there, the engine deck lid, black dashboard. Very, very, very cool though. Nicely done. If you're not familiar with these RLC cars, that stands for Red Line Club, and it is a membership type of deal. Lasts 1 year. And this is a full metal body, metal base, Real Riders tires. If you're not familiar with that, it's a synthetic rubber tires on nicer wheels, so you can pop the tires off if you really wanted to. So there you go. Quick look at it. Trying to get a shot kind of the interior, but not easy. Very, very nicely done, and at least the engine lid closes nicely compared to the last Jaguar I'd reviewed, which was absolutely horrendous. The way that the hood closed on that was terrible. So that is it. It's just a quick one for tonight. I have so many things in the queue I want to get to. Just trying to find time to get to everything and deal with life and other obstacles in the way. But there you go. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free and you can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. That was a long one. Isn't that wicked though? Very cool. You guys have to let me know. Comment down below if you can. I love reading your comments. And I want to know what you guys think of this. And I will talk to you guys soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye now.